Hello and welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Today we are making whole masoor dal. These are whole lentils. Soak this for more than 4 hours or overnight. In a deep pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once it starts crackling and turns a little bit brown, add 1 medium sliced onion, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and cook till it's translucent. Add 1 medium tomato, chopped tomato. Stir this really well. And to cook the tomato, we'll add water in some time. This is 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Mix this really well. That's 1 tablespoon of water. Scrape the bottom of the pan and with the back of the spoon, mash the tomato. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll add salt as per your taste. This will help the tomato cook further. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds powder, and stir this all really well. Cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the soaked whole lentil masoor dal. I would say if you boil it in a pressure cooker and then add will be better. I have done that because then it will take much more longer to cook. That's 1 teaspoon asafoetida, also hing. You get this in any Indian shop. This is very good for digestion. Cover and cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir this really well. Check with the back of the spoon on the side of the utensil. If it mashes, then it's cooked. Add chopped coriander or cilantro or parsley. Stir this and cook this further for 10 minutes. Serve this with rice, bread, or anything of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes for new recipes. Like us on Facebook, our Facebook page. New recipes coming up each week. Thank you so much. Bye.